Hello there, and welcome to another edition of Case or No Case here on Fox Focus. I'm Andrea Williams, and that's my friend Jeff Pitman. He's an attorney for PKSD Law Firm. How are you, Jeff?
I'm doing great, and I want to tell the viewers that we have short sleeve case or no case t-shirts, limited edition available. Some come to our website, come to the Facebook page, and we'll get one out to you. So, you ready for the case or no case?
I believe so. Let's do this.
Okay, so you take your car to a brake repair shop, and they repair the brakes. They take it out for a test drive to make sure that the brakes were properly repaired. The driver from the repair shop ends up rear-ending somebody and causing serious injury. The brake repair shop's insurance lapsed, so they don't have any insurance. You do have insurance. So case or no case against your insurance company.
That's very tricky, but I'm thinking there is a case.
Yeah, there probably is a case because you gave them permission to drive your car. You took it there for them to repair the brakes. They have to test it. You would have given them permission to do that. And so there probably is a case against your insurance company if the brake repair shop is uninsured.
Wow, great information as always. And if you ever need to find out if you have a case or no case, you know what to do. Dial the threes, 333 3333 for the PKSD guarantee.